Hey everybody, this is Chris from LuLaMarketplace.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about the features of the site. Everybody's been asking, so what makes LuLa Marketplace special? How does it help consultants sell more, save a lot of time, and give a much better experience to customers, right? So today we're going to talk about those features. So right now what you're looking at is what a consultant's page would look like. The way a customer would get there is the consultant would give them their link, which is just lulamarketplace.com/consultant/the consultant's username. And that makes it really simple. That way you have a private, unique, branded to you specifically boutique for your customers to come shop at. So what we love here is you'll set an image that you want for your header. You'll set all your information here so the customer can get to know you. All of your social media that you actively use goes right here so they can interact with you. Right here is your why. You can explain everything about you. We want customers to really connect with you as a consultant, just like you're really seeing normally, right? So this works with your Facebook Live, with your Periscope, with your Twitter, Instagram, all those things that you're already using. Now you've created a centralized hub that you're going to continue using that social media, but now it's to drive everybody here. And then from here, it's also going to drive everybody back to your social media, creating a unique branding experience for your customer that really gets them passionate about being with you as their consultant, right? And really helping out with that. So when they get to your site, they're going to just see all of your products alphabetically listed here, which would be more challenging to browse through, but it makes for a really, nice looking site. So that's available. But what we really love that we've done is we've created it so that it can be easily narrowed down for a customer. Your customer no longer needs to worry about how do they shop with LuLaRoe with you, because now it's the exact same experience that they have in a traditional environment, but with the uniqueness that LuLaRoe provides. So what you'll see here, they can narrow it down by size. So if they want to look by everything in a specific size, they can do that. If they want to search by kids, women's, men's, they can do that as well and see everything in those categories. Or they can search by dresses, skirts, or they can actually search by style. A lot of customers do shop a lot of LuLaRoe, so they can know if they love Anna's, they can click Anna and see all the Annas that you have. Cassie's, all the Cassies that you have, and so on. So that really makes it nice for them. They'll add the product to their shopping list. The list will be sent to you, and then you'll invoice the customer through Audrey. No more Google Forms. Let me say that again. No more Google Forms ever. Also, once you load your inventory, you never have to load it again. Also, you never have to move inventory around for a multi-consultant sale. Really nice. Also, we've added a really cool feature here, Chat With Us. So when you're actually logged into your store, your customer will be able to chat live with you. So if you have several assistants that help you out during your sales, things like that, you can actually have them logged into chat. So if a customer says, is that really navy or is that black? You'll be able to tell a customer, oh, that's definitely navy, or it's definitely black, or all those questions that customers ask. If you're offline, you'll see something like this, and they'll actually be able to send a message to you so you can interact with that customer. But this is going to save you a lot of time during your sales and make customers a lot happier because you'll be able to give them quicker answers. So here's your administration panel, and this is where all the magic happens. So you have a lot of features here that you can absolutely love. From products, you'll be able to create all of your individual inventory items. Once you've created an inventory item, you never have to change it ever again until it sells. I think that's the single greatest thing. We've heard from consultants that they're spending 2, 3, 4 hours a week having to move inventory to this album, pull it down from Facebook, upload it to Facebook. Do this, that, and the other. Have to move everything into albums for multi-consultant sales. We've got to stop the madness, everybody. No more of that stuff, period. Yeah, load your inventory once, never touch it again until it sells. So, on an average week, if you're getting 100 pieces in per week, you're going to only spend less than 30 minutes adding that new inventory in. So again, if you're only getting 33 pieces a week, you're probably spending 10 minutes per week with inventory. because all of your existing inventory you never have to touch. You never have to move anywhere. Just makes it really simple. You're only adding your new inventory in and closing out your sold inventory. So it's really super easy. From here, you can see all of your orders. So we put a test order in so you can see what it looks like. You can see the customer's name and that purchased from you, your address and everything there that that you'll be sending the product to. Right here, you can download an invoice, and you can download shipping lists as well. The shipping list is great for sending with the customer so that they can see exactly what they purchased and never be concerned about whether or not they're getting the right item that they looked at. It also has all of your company's information on there as well, which is really cool. Over in your invoicing here, I was going to say shipping list, but it's your invoice. You're actually going to see that this makes for a great way to have your assistants pick the right product for you. So it actually will show the product here. If you use a SKU-based system, so you put a number on every single item like you should, it'll also show that for you. So you can hand this page to your assistant and have them go pull the item and get it ready for shipping. You can also then view all aspects of your order. So it tells me the order status here. I can put the tracking code in when I go to ship it. I can choose the carrier that I'm going to use to ship it. I can even select what day we actually ship that out. And then once they've picked it up, we can actually click order picked up, and that will complete and finalize the order for you, making it really simple. Again, I can see everything in the back here, invoices or packing slips, which I really love. And it shows me the product that the customer ordered, any sort of order notes here for you as well when it was ordered. So it makes your order is really easy. Over here, you can actually see coupons. So you can create coupon codes for your customers. And not only that, but you can create coupon codes that are limited to specific email addresses. So they have to use this email address specifically to be able to use the promo code. So this allows you to do all of your giveaways, all your LuLa Cash, LuLa Moolas through coupon codes. And then you can track all of those coupon codes so you can see how effective they were at driving your sales. From your vendor profile, this is how you'll actually customize the store. You can actually add additional admins in, so if you have an assistant, you can have them do that as well. But this is where you would just put your why in, upload your header image, and show customers how they can reach you on various social media. You also have a vacation mode. Now what this is this is how you open and close your store. Now this, guys, is the best. When you are closed down because you're not having a sale, you'll just simply put the time that you stop having a sale and when your next sale will start, and then hit prevent sales temporarily, save vacation settings, and whatever message you have here will show to your customers that you will be coming back to sell on such and such date. If you change your mind and you want to sell earlier, all you have to do is remove the dates and hit save vacation settings. This is the only thing you have to do when it comes to a multi-consultant sale. Wow, isn't that amazing? You literally just have to make sure that the store is got nothing here for your start and end dates and hit save vacation settings, and then you are perfectly ready to go for that multi-consultant sale. Amazing. Over here for sales reports, you would actually see every sale that you've done. You can select it by a specific period of time. Export it out to a CSV file, which we can use in Excel if you'd prefer. You can do sales by product. So it looks like Madison's have been the top seller right here with their demo products. Sales by category. So I can look and do sales by all women's sales, all men's clothing sales, all kids clothing sales, right? Really be able to help that too. From stock, I can actually look at, what products are low in stock. So maybe I'm getting low on Amelia's. I can actually see that and maybe make decisions on whether or not I need to add more Amelias. Here's your live chat functionality like we talked about. This is where you would actually go ahead and connect in, and then anybody would actually be able to see that you're online and that you're ready to go to do that. Any offline messages that you would have, you would actually have show up here as well so that you can get back with that customer and get them taken care of. PDF invoice, this is just where you would sit there and put any information in that you want to show up on those invoices. Waiting list, this is an amazing feature. Waiting list allows you to have a queue-based system just like what you've had with comment sold 2, comment sold 3. So when a customer buys a product on LuLa Marketplace, it will show the person that put it in their shopping list that you will send them an invoice. Just like what you've always done, you'll send them an Audrey invoice, but you'll already have their information, so you won't have to do any Google Forms. Every other person that goes and sees that product will then have an option that says add to wait list instead of saying add to shopping list. And then it sends them a message that says, hey, this item is sold already, but if for any reason it becomes available again, we'll give you a call. Basically to that extent anyways. So then you would see over here in your waiting list checklist anything that you actually had there for you. So you would be able to email your different people in the waiting list, let them know, hey, it is available, and then you can sell it to the first person that wants to do that, just like the queuing system that you've always had there. So that's really nice for you there. We are adding shipping management so that it can be integrated into your existing shipping programs, so you can do all of your shipping back here. That should be coming soon. We're adding a new administration system to make it even easier for you. We've added so many other features to the site. So many other features are coming soon. We're really trying to do everything we can to make it amazing for you. One last thing that I'll show you real quick is your multi-consultant parties. Again, we had talked about that you have to do no prep work for the multi-consultant party. So again, all that has to happen is the admin for the party has to just let us know when you want to have the party, and we will create the unique link for you. It would be LuLaMarketplace.com/whatever your actual multi-consultant party name is. And then what you'll do is you'll see the different vendors' products will all shoot through here. There's no albums for the customer to go into or anything like that. Everybody's product just shows there and it's all randomized. Over here would actually show every vendor that's taking part of that. So if a customer loves a specific vendor, they can browse that vendor's products individually as well too if they would ever want. But they can also sort. So again, if they choose dresses, they'll see dresses from every consultant that's having a party at that time. So that's amazing. So again, you don't have to do anything. Also, if I buy a product from O'Tigerney and then I buy one from Nikki Tierney, my shopping list will show me that I have one product from one product from the other, so that they know they're going to get multiple invoices and they know that they're going to get multi-shipping fees. So that works out really nicely for them. Also, each one of the consultants then gets each product that they've sold in their ordering system right away. So back to this order here, this was done during a multi-consultant sale. So it actually shows me just the one item that that customer purchased from this consultant. So no more having to read comments, comment sold, trying to figure out who sold what, making sure you check your albums in time, watermarking photos, any of that's not existent anymore. You don't have to worry about any of that type of concerns at all, because it's all right here for you, ready to go. It all sends it directly to your administration panel. So literally during a multi-consultant event, you now have 0 responsibilities. I would actually take the time to go on Facebook Live and Periscope and just push people to the consultant site. Rather than now having to worry about administration things, we'll take care of all that for you. You just process the orders when they come in. But the biggest thing is now you can have extra time promoting your multi-consultant party. And just imagine if 100 of you are out there spending all the time you were spending trying to go through all the comments and that. Now you can spend that time promoting. Just imagine how much bigger your multi-consultant parties will be. And imagine not having to take any time for prep work for a multi-consultant party. Just amazing. Guys, I hope you love these features on LuLaMarketplace.com. So check it out. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. Have a great day.